Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Forge 1.21.8 on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Forge. And probably the first link will be Forge files. So click on this, select 1.21.8 and then press on installer on download latest. If you're downloading maybe later, you can also see, as you can see here, download recommended. So then just download recommended. But if there is no recommended, just download latest, just press on installer here, wait for a couple of seconds, press skip here, and then just install Forge. Then let's grab some mods. Go to CursedForge here, select Minecraft, browse all, scroll down a bit until you see Forge, right? Then select the mod that you want to download. For example, let's see this one. Let's select files, then select all game versions. As you can see here, currently they don't have that particular one, so go back. So I got another mode that is GeckoLib. As you can see here, there is Forge 1.21.8. Just press on it and press download, right? And then download file. Wait for a couple of seconds and then you can save it to your desktop here. Also download it like this. Then what you need to do here is to double click on Forge and wait for a couple of seconds and then install client. Make sure Minecraft is completely closed because you will not install it. You will get error. Also, if you're getting errors while installing the Forge, it's because you don't have Java 21. So you just need to go to Google and then you just need to write download Java 21 or just download Java latest version here, Java 24. And then you should not be getting any errors. Once it's finished, you should get this message here, press OK, then open up Minecraft, press on installations here, then look for Forge, press on the little installation folder, then go to mods, then drag and drop that particular mod here, and then just go to Forge and hit play, right? And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.